In this module, we are going to learn about the workflow of structural design. In my opinion, every engineer should have a clear view of this topic. Now, coming to the subject, let us discuss about the stages in the design phase of a given building. Firstly, we receive the architectural drawings from the architect. As a structural design engineer, we must read all the architectural drawings thoroughly in such a way that we should feel the building even before being constructed. Now, after the thorough understanding of the drawings, we must prepare the structural configuration of the building to resist both gravity forces and lateral forces. Then, based on the structural configuration that we have prepared, we shall create a mathematical model of the building using the softwares like ETABS, STAAD or SAP. So there are so many softwares that are available in the market, but these softwares are the most widely used and accepted in the industry to design the building. Then we shall analyze the structural model and interpret the analysis results. After the interpretation of the results, we will be checking for the stability of the structure. Then, after getting a conclusion of the stability aspect of the building, we will be moving on to the design aspect of the building. Here, in this design phase, we will be checking whether all the structural elements are passing under the developed forces or not. If any section is failing, then we revise the section and check the design again. The iterations will be continued until all the structural elements are passed under the developed forces. Then, we prepare the general arrangement drawing showing the locations of beams, columns, slabs, shear walls and etc. to send it for the approval from the architect. Then, if the architect disapproves, we need to prepare another structural configuration and repeat all the steps until the approval. If the architect approves the locations of the structural elements, then we prepare a detailed structural drawing of the building and send it to the site for the construction phase. Finally, the building will be constructed at site based on the design drawings provided by the structural engineer. This process may take around 3 to 6 months based on the requirement of the client. So this is the flow of work in the structural design industry. That's all for now. Let's move on to the next lecture.